The Titan Pro Grizzly stump grinder is a welcome addition to the Titan Pro comprehensive range of garden machinery. A tree stump may need removing for a variety of reasons, such as mowing or a tripping hazard. The extremely powerful Titan Pro Grizzly stump grinder is capable of removing the toughest and most awkward tree stumps efficiently and safely. Built to make tough tree stump clearing faster and less demanding, with its low center of gravity making the Titan Pro Grizzly stable on uneven terrain. The Titan Pro Grizzly's power source is the impressive 15HP 420cc 4-stroke Titan engine, enough power output to pulverize the most stubborn of tree stumps. The business end of the Titan Pro Grizzly stump grinder are the 12 replaceable teeth, tipped with mining-grade tungsten carbide, 10 times harder than steel, shredding the tree stump into small wood chips with ease. The disc lever handbrake locks one of the large heavy-duty pneumatic wheels in place for a pivot point, allowing for a smooth, sweeping cut. The brake and throttle are controlled by the operator from the handlebars. The Titan Pro Grizzly stump grinder is perfect for the professional gardener and landscapers, removing troublesome and unsightly tree stumps with pure brute force, reclaiming areas ready for sowing or planting. For more information on any of Titan Pro's garden products, please visit our website at www.titan-pro.co.uk or call our sales team on 01258 489 161. You can also follow Titan Pro on social media.